Hey, Bo, guess what? While you were sleeping, Santa's elves came. Santa's elves came and they put something under the Christmas tree. Do you want to go see it?
No.
Santa sent his elves with something special to put under your tree. What did the elves bring? What do you see? What is it? It's choo-choo train. Do you know who that choo-choo train is? Careful, Bo. Careful, don't pull that too far, because that's what makes it work. Here. And who is that choo-choo? Do you recognize that choo-choo?
That's Thomas.
That's Thomas. Thomas is stuck. I'll fix it.